Welcome students. So as you have seen one of the clip in the starting, the burning fire in the hand. So that clip is been made with the help of chroma key. So in this tutorial I'll be telling you how to use that effect. Means you will also be able to burn fire in your hand. Not even fire, you can use anything. So in this tutorial I'll be trying to fulfill the desire of many of the students who are wanting to learn this. So first of all I'll be starting this project by entering simple media which I have captured earlier. So I'll be inserting one clip. Yes, I have inserted one clip. So this media or this video was captured by me only, just to give you the demo. So here a simple hand video has been captured, and I'll cut this media because it's too lengthy, and just to make the tutorial short I'll cut till here. Okay, for explanation purpose this much video is okay. Now after this, because when I was capturing this video plenty of outer sounds were there, so I'll make this sound to 0. So this is a very simple video. You could see simple, we have to act moving the hand up or down. And after this what I'll do, I'll insert a layer. So I'll move my clip little bit forward. Why I'm doing this? Because if I'll move the clip from the start, and here I'll insert the layer, suppose media, and from the green screen, because I have already downloaded one video with the help of Videoder app. I hope you might have gone through my tutorial how to download a video. If you have not gone through, you could just see my tutorial how to download a video. The link I'll be giving down if you have missed that tutorial of mine. I'll click on green screen, and from here I'll select the fire video. I click on tick. So here this is okay, but sometimes if the video is not coming at the bottom or it is coming towards the left, then you can do one thing. You could if this video is not coming at the bottom, then suppose I'll show you by giving the example. I delete this. Sometimes this video comes towards the left of the clip here. So if it is doing, and in the way what I was telling, what you could do, little bit from 0 0, just shift towards little right, and then you can click on layer and media, and from here green screen and fire. So it's looking like this. If I click on the firstly bare hand and then fire, what I could do, I'll press my finger on this clip. One thing you should be sure that this clip should not be selected like this. Okay, just put the fingertip on this bottom clip and then you can drag it. I have earlier also I have explained this. Once it is done, what you could do, you could select this clip. You could see here chroma key. Click on chroma key. Chroma key is been enabled now by me only. Now some settings. These settings I have to see. Then like if I'll make it to 50%, the green part is coming. So little bit I'll decrease, and then the bottom I'll increase the strength. Just see, this looks okay for me. Now if I'll play this, it's looking good. Now one thing more I have to do, because my clip is video clip of the hand is more, but my video clip of fire is less, so I have to increase this media. How to increase it? Just select this. Now where these three dots are there, okay, these three dots, I have to click on these three dots, then duplicate. After duplicating, I'll just press this and then make it till here. Now I'll just select my fire clip, and then I have to use little animation with this, so that I can adjust this clip according to the orientation of my arm. So firstly I'll move towards the start of the clip, and I'll place this little bit on the top of my hand, and then animation. You know, earlier also I've told you the animation key I'll press, and then little bit forward I'll do. Where my hand is moving, a little bit I'll also adjust the clip, then a little down, little bit down more here. Yes. So see, it's so simple. Now till here it is okay. Now from here, this clip, here also have to do the animation. I'll be making it upside, little bit up, yes, little bit down. So till here. So if I'll play this now, it appears that fire is burning. Here little bit animation I have to do. The starting one, I'll check the animation. Yes, here you have to adjust this one. Let's see whether it is looking okay or not. So it's okay now. So I hope you know the basic concept. How can we use green screen objects? One more object I'll try to insert here. I'll put layer, media, green screen. Suppose Okay, let's try this one. This is separate screen just to give the demo. Fire you already know. Now I'll use the green screen effect on this, chroma key enabled. Let's see how it looks. Although it's looking good, let's see once again. Now it's looking okay. Even we could animate this also, just to make it more interesting. I can use the animation with this, and then I can move, I can touch with my finger, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so I hope it is clear how to use chroma key and how can you insert objects with the help of chroma key. So I'll be waiting from your side to say interesting videos how you could include chroma key objects with your real time scenes. Okay, till then, bye.